Did you know GitHub Copilot is becoming even more powerful and proactive with deeper awareness of your tools and services thanks to cutting-edge AI models? Here's what's new. Agent Mode in Visual Studio Code. Copilot's Agent Mode helps you achieve your goal by automatically identifying or generating the necessary files and completing tasks across them. Smarter in-editor actions. Agent Mode can suggest terminal commands, tool calls, and even prompt you to execute them. It also analyzes runtime errors with built-in self-healing capabilities to keep your workflow smooth. Model Context Protocol. Think of it like plugging intelligence into your development environment. Agent Mode gets access to the context it needs, just like a USB port gives your computer access to new devices. Enhanced tool usage. With the Model Context Protocol, your prompts in Agent Mode can trigger actions like understanding a database schema, exploring APIs, or even searching the web, making Copilot a true coding partner. Stay tuned for more GitHub Copilot updates.